Are you also planning to invite the House Speaker, former House Speaker, Martin Romualdez to the hearing? Kasi kahapon po may pagtatalo po tungkol doon sa, di ba, may interparliamentary courtesy nga po, pero nothing stops the Senate from inviting, quote-unquote. Will you extend that invitation to the House Speaker?
We can invite, we can only invite, but we cannot force it because may interparliamentary courtesy nga kung tawagin, and it has been a practice for a long time now. Na we cannot invite congressman in the Senate investigation. Ganun din yung Congress, if they're investigating a senator, they cannot invite. Kaya nga, voluntary na lang, like what happened with Congressman Toby Chanco. Voluntarily, we invited him, and voluntarily he went. So we'll extend the invitation so that we will give time for the speaker to answer. Kung tatanggapin niya, then that's the only time. Pero we cannot force anybody or members of the Congress.
Correct.
Or even the Senate niya na kailangan mo mag-appear. We cannot even issue a subpoena to these officials.
Pero meron na po bang nagpahiwatig sa inyo na gusto po nilang mag-appear dito? Because kanya-kanya po silang release ng statements of denial yesterday, which was expected, pero meron na po bang nag-reach out?
Well, wala pa naman, pero trabaho kasi ng ng committee secretariat yon, yung invitation upon the instruction, of course, of our chairman, Senator Ping Lacson. Pero like I've said, kung ako lang masusunod, gusto ko, baka pwede, alisin muna natin isang tabi interparliamentary courtesy na ito. And this is I think, the right, hindi naman proper, kundi isa sa mga forum where they can air their side. So that's what I was looking at na dito sa Senate, you can air your side, di ba? Though it might not be the proper forum kasi airing your side should be done sa mga court of law. So, nakikita ko, kung tatanggapin nilang invitation, Ms. Gretchen.
Kung kayo po ay mapagbibigyan, sino po ang gusto niyo pong ma-invite?
Lahat po ng mga binanggit, di ba? Para matanong natin sila from Speaker of the House, si Ginoong Saldico, talaga yung mga tao are waiting for him. Lahat ng binanggit, pati ni Gutesa, kung lahat yon ng mga personalities na yon. Pati nga siguro yung mga senador, narinig na natin yung dalawa na nagsalita na, si Senator Joel before and Senator Jinggoy. So, kung po pwede lang. Pero pag-uusapan ito ng Blue Ribbon within the next few days, siguro sa Monday, paano ito, yung direction natin, lalo pat lumabas itong attorney na dinidisown niya yung kanyang pirma doon na hindi siya nakapirma doon sa sworn affidavit ni Gutesa.